Hello guys, in this video I will guide you through hosting your Laravel project on Render for a smooth cloud deployment. Step 1 is preparing your Laravel project. So make sure that your Laravel app is ready and pushed to Git repository like GitHub, GitLab or Bitbucket. If you need, initialize your Laravel project with Composer or the Laravel installer. Now step 2 is Dockerizing your Laravel application. In the root of your project, create a Docker file to run PHP configured for Laravel. Add an docker ignore.file to exclude unnecessary files like node modules, vendor.env and others. Now configure nginx to serve your Laravel app properly inside the Docker container. Add a deployer script to install dependencies, cache configuration, run migrations and build assets. Now step 3 is pushing your code to Git. So commit all your files including the Docker file, nginx configuration, deployment scripts and push them to your remote Git repository. Now step 4 is creating a database on Render. So log into Render and create a new PostgreSQL or MySQL database service. Copy the internal database URL for use as an environment variable. Now, step 5 is creating a new web service on Render. So in your Render dashboard, click the new icon, choose web service and choose build and deploy from Git repository and connect your GitHub or other account. Now, select your Laravel project repository and choose Docker as the runtime environment. Set environment variables like database URL, app key, app-env production and others needed for your Laravel app. Use the deploy script as your build or start command to install dependencies, cache config, run migrations and build assets. After this, configure HTTPS in Laravel. Ensure that your app serves assets over HTTPS to avoid mixed content warnings. In your app service provider.php, force HTTPS scheme in product environment and click Create Web Service to start the deployment. Monitor the build and deploy logs on Render and once deployed successfully, access your Laravel app using the Render URL provided. And that's it. Your Laravel project is now hosted on Render with Docker, ready for production use. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.